If you're looking for a more eco-friendly alternative to 100% peat moss, or if you're just tired of lugging around wet, heavy bags, you need HydraPeat. HydraPeat is an all-natural, reduced peat blend that comes in a compressed bag weighing just 18 pounds and expands 2.5 times by hand to fill nearly 3 cubic feet of volume. HydraPeat is fueled by HydraFiber Technology, a lightweight, engineered substrate made from recycled and renewable sources. As compared to 100% peat moss, HydraFiber improves water management and provides more airspace for roots to grow, which is why it's trusted by 70% of top commercial growers in America. HydraPeat blends revolutionary HydraFiber with high-quality Canadian sphagnum peat for an all-natural, all-purpose soil blend that is perfect for enhancing or establishing your lawn while seeding, amending or starting gardens, and planting trees, shrubs, and other woody plants. Make growing easier and more sustainable with HydraPeat. Buy it today in select stores and nationwide on Lowes.com.